Today we will be talking about how to transfer the property from one person to another. What is the law related to it? कहाँ पे ट्रांसफर्स के बारे में दिया है? Is it only Transfer of Property Act which talks about transfers or is it अदर लॉ ऑल्सो या कोई और लॉज भी हैं जो ट्रांसफर्स के बारे में बात करते हैं? सो आइए आज की वीडियो में इसको डिटेल में समझते हैं. Hi, I'm Mrs. Kritika Singh. It's been over a decade that I have been helping and supporting students to crack judicial services examination for detailed courses and subjects. You can download our app and also on weekly basis the small topics that I have been covering इनके जो details हैं वो आपको हमारी app में मिल जाएंगे. And the name of the app is EJ Law Academy. You can go to the Play Store and download it. So I was talking about transfers. Transfer can be by act of parties or by operation of law. So there are two methods. So act of parties means inter vivos. Inter vivos means between two living persons. So अगर आप TPA पढ़ते हैं, TPA का जो preamble है वहाँ लिखा हुआ है the transfer by act of parties. मतलब एक इंसान दूसरे लिविंग जो पर्सन है उसको ट्रांसफर करता है. अगर एक इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी को तो वो टीपीए के अंदर गवर्नड है. द लॉ रिलेटेड टू इट इज टीपीए. एंड इफ इट इज अ मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी द लॉ रिलेटेड टू इट इज सोगा, दैट इज सेल्स ऑफ गुड्स एक्ट. सो एक लिविंग पर्सन जब दूसरे लिविंग पर्सन को ट्रांसफर करेगा सो द लॉ इज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू प्रॉपर्टी, that is TPA and Sales of Goods Act. But the property can also be transferred by operation of law. By operation of law का मतलब क्या हुआ? By automatically. Automatically by law. Automatically property transfer हो सकती है. ये जो concept है, it is based on this policy that is res nullis. That means a property can never be without an owner. So if Mr. A has died and he is the owner of some property, now, after his death, the property will automatically transfer to his legal heirs. So, this is another kind of transfer which is called as by operation of law. So for more videos like these, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is EJ Law Academy. Till my next video, please take care of yourself. I'll see you then. God bless. Bye-bye.